Hello, dear little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Then, are you ready to study math subject? Let us start. Okay, very good, students. Then, please take your maths textbook, page number 119. Today, we had to start new chapter. New chapter, that is chapter name, chapter number 7. So tasty. Here we can see a picture. All of you take page number 119. Here we can see a girl and boy. A picture of a girl and boy. That girl, yes, in first box, first girl is said, Meenu Chechi will come tomorrow. Here we can see that boy and girl collecting some vegetables. Yes. Then that girl said, Meenu Chechi will come tomorrow. Then let's make let's make a feast. Let's make a feast. Then that boy said, must have many dishes in that feast. Yes. And also, and payasam too. Yes. That boy said, we can make many dishes and also need payasam in that feast. Then that girl said, we will use only these vegetables from our garden. Then that boy said, yes, vegetables without insecticide. Vegetables in our garden we got without insecticide. That means pesticides. Without insecticides. Okay. That means pure vegetable we got in our garden. Okay. Then next. Here we can see another picture. Making a feast. See the vegetables Joby and Jinsi picked from the garden. Father and mother took Joby to the garden. See them bringing vegetables. That means that kid's name is Joby and Jinsi. His father and mother took to the garden. Here we can see father's head, we can see a banana, and in mother's head we can see a pumpkin, and in Joby's hand we can see a cucumber. Okay, then Jensi said more vegetables from the garden. Yes. Then his mother said, is it heavy, Joby? Yes, we can see a picture. In Joby's hand is a cucumber. Then Joby said, no, I shall manage his weight. Yes. Then next page. Page number 115. All of you take page number 115. Here we can see a picture of vegetables. Yes, cucumber, pumpkin and bananas. Which one in the picture weighed the most? Which one picture most weighed most? Yes, bananas. And the least? Yes, cucumber. Then all of you write in that box. Bananas. Weight most? Bananas. And least weight, which one? Yes, cucumber. Then all of you write in that box. Cucumber. Yes, correct. Then next heading. All of you read that heading. Yes. Things in the bag. Picture shows the things in Joby's school bag. Yes, we can see a picture. Yes, water bottle, umbrella, book and pencil. These are the things in Joby's school bag. Then had to list them in the order of their weight from largest to least. First we have to write the largest, most weight thing. Most weight thing is, yes, water bottle. The next Next in weight, yes, umbrella. Next in weight, yes, book. And least one, that is pencil. Yes, correct. Then you have to write in that boxes. First one, yes, water bottle. Water bottle. Then next, yes, umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, next one, umbrella. Okay, the next one, yes, book. Okay, the next book after last one. Last one, yes, pencil. Then write in that box, pencil. Okay, yes, correct. Then next one, write the things in your bag in order from the heaviest to the latest. Heaviest to the latest. In your bag, you have to write neuron. Okay, write the things in your bag in order from the heaviest to lightest. That is, first one you have to guess it. Yes, water bottle. And next in weight, yes, lunch box and book and pencil. You have to write in that neuron. That is, the question is in your bag. Okay, so you have to write in neuron. Okay, then next one, let us weigh. Let us weigh. What appliances are there in your home? Appliances means what? Yes, equipments. Equipments in your home. Any equipments. Write names of four. That means any equipment like that, television, fridge, fan. Okay. Write the names of four. Okay. Then you have to write in done order. Yes, television. Next, fridge. You have to write. Okay, fridge. And next you have to write fan, mixie. Okay, then next question, are the weight the same? Are the weights are the same? No. Every equipments are different, so their weights are also different. Then write them in order of their weight. Write them in order of their weight. Okay, in that box. That means in heaviest weight, which one? Yes, fridge. Fridge is the heaviest one. Then first write the fridge. Then second one, second in weight. Yes, television. Yes, correct. Television. Then third one is, yes, fan. And last one is, yes, mixie. Then last box you have to write mixie. Okay. Okay. Then next page. Turn the page. Yes. Here we can see guess and find. Here we can see a picture. Yes, a teacher. And also we can see some things in that table. Which are the things? Yes, a knife and a glass, bowl, mug and clay. Isn't it? Yes. See the things the teacher has put on the table. Write them in the order from the heaviest to the lightest. You have to write. First, your guess. First one is which one? Yes. Which is the heaviest one in that table? Yes. First one, knife, clay, bowl, mug, glass. Isn't it? Okay. Then you have to write in that, in that box. Okay, you have to write in your own. Knife, clay, ball, mug, glass. Okay, next one, to the shop. More things are needed to make a feast. Yes, more things are needed to make a feast. Joby and father went to shop. Then Joby and his father went to the shop to buy things. Then they bought rice 2 kilogram, sugar 1 kilogram, and onion 1 kilogram. Here we can see the price list of that shop. Here we can see items and prices. Prices in 1 kilogram each items. Okay, that is rice 1 kilogram. Rice 1 kilogram 35 rupees, and mug 35 rupees, chilli 75 rupees, onion 34, salt 10 rupees, vermicelli 35 rupees, and sugar 31 rupees. And next page, what are the things Johnny and father bought? What is the total cost? Yes, rice 2 kilogram. 2 kilogram rice 1 kilogram 35 rupees, and 2 kilogram, yes, 35 plus 35, that is 70. 1 kilogram rice is 35 rupees, and 2 kilogram rice, that means 35 plus 35, that is 70. Then sugar 1 kilogram is which? What the price? Sugar, yes, 31. Then write 31. And onion 1 kilogram is, yes, 34 rupees. Sorry, 34. Then write 34. Then total cost means add the third prices, that is 70 plus 31 plus 34, that is 70, 31 and 34. Then total is 4 plus 1 is 5, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, that is 135 rupees. Okay.